Siberian Express Pro. The Siberian Express Pro is engineered with the latest technology using reinforced ABS plastic. The sound produced by the three trumpets is incredible. Using reinforced ABS plastic significantly decreases the overall weight of the horn. The reduced weight makes installation easier, ensures less vibration, and eliminates the need for extra support brackets to prevent damage to the horn when driving on rough roads. Choose from trumpets that are finished with an attractive semi-gloss black finish or a beautiful bright chrome finish. The heavy-duty steel mounting base is painted silver to help prevent rusting. Wolo is the originator of the ABS plastic train horn Siberian Express Pro, so don't settle for cheap imitations. Siberian Express Pro horn comes with a built-in heavy-duty 12-volt electric solenoid. The onboard air system provided is designed to produce a large volume of high-pressure air to power the Siberian Express train horn and includes everything necessary for a professional installation. The compressor has a heavy-duty 12-volt permanent magnet motor that is balanced to precision. There are 4 heavy rubber bushings mounted into the compressor base plate to virtually eliminate all vibration. For surface mounting of the compressor, there is an extended length stainless steel high-pressure hose that connects the compressor to the 2.5-gallon metal air storage tank. Other features of the Siberian Express Pro are a tank that has a built-in pressure switch, manual brass water drain, pressure gauge, pressure relief valve, and brass fittings. The Siberian Express Pro is also available in a beautiful chrome finish. Kit also comes with mounting hardware, 10-foot of flexible high-pressure hose, and 20-foot coiled filler hose with quality brass fittings. Important, always use ear protection when sounding. So if you're looking to install an ultra-powerful train horn, go no further. Siberian Express Pro is the horn for you. They will hear you before they can see you.